So proving these using fundamental trig identities, and on your formula sheet then, your fundamental trig identities are your reciprocal, your quotient, and your Pythagoras. So here's our first proof that we're going to work on together, and then I'll get you to do the next one. So prove that cosecant theta times the cos of theta, prove that that's equal to cotangent theta. So if we're proving something, we've got an equal sign that we're not sure is valid. So we're not going to cross the equal sign. We're going to work on the more complicated side and try to make it look like the other side. So I'm going to work on the left-hand side. With my formula sheet, I know there's a substitution I can make for cosecant. Cosecant is the same as 1 over sine. So instead of saying cosecant, I'm going to say 1 over sine theta. So I've got 1 over sine theta times cos theta. Okay, how do I multiply fractions? Numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. I end up with cos theta over sine theta. Okay, what is that? What is cos theta over sine theta? It's cotangent theta. I've got left side equals right side. I'm done the proof. Okay, it's that easy. Here's my justification for it. So for cosecant is 1 over sine, I just used my reciprocal identity. And then I just multiplied and my fractions and ended up with cos over sine. And from cos over, how did I get to cotangent? Well, I just used the quotient identity. That is, cos over sine is cotangent. Dead proof. You try this one. So the process is the important thing, is how you set it up, how you justify each step, and how it's easy to see from one step to the next. So I'm going to get you to prove that sine theta bracket secant theta minus cosecant theta, prove that that's equal to tan theta minus 1. And remember this little phrase, if it's not squared, it's not Pythagoras. Don't look for a Pythagoras if you don't see a squared sign. So if we're setting up a proof, we're going to make sure we don't cross the equal sign. Take a moment, look at your formula sheets, and see if there's any you can simplify things. Remember that sine is multiplying both of those terms.